Like one big batty man to you, boy.
What's this night chat, me team?
Alright, me and you go have out in the game. I can't
Chat game start here, right?
Lord of mercy.
True, you have
Why?
fetish to
You
some
look like they're
different
ready to
type of
hatch.
things.
Rosie's
Hey
chat.
boy, you see no donkey over
So
here,
work
so.
together.
Jay,
Hey,
that
focus on the
thank
game,
you.
man.
Come in, chat.
Hey, boy, hey, boy.
Porter.
Come on, my team, Rosie's.
Porter, please.
Oh, God.
You have to do the
Jay, that thank you.
Hey, anyway,
Come
brother.
on, guys, come up and rose them chat.
Porter. Oh God, if we have so much money, we have more tops than that. Oh God Almighty, man.
Let's go chat everybody that is here.
Guys,
Double tap. Make sure you guys follow up everybody that is here, right?
I put just
Hannah, Simeon, let's go chat.
Please, me don't want the man catch me, guys. Please, do.
Guys, Danny is doing his dare this game.
Catch a double chat.
51% want you to do a dare law.
No, don't worry about them. Don't worry.
Guys, everybody send a road quick side. If you not send one, give Damion one. I want catch it. Me, if me lose, if me not catch it, him not catch it, me not catch it. Everybody beg on our road chat.
We need them now.
Everybody
We
want
need them now.
road
Jump with a candy. As you send me one, me jump with a candy fast.
Come on, chat. Everybody send a road, guys.
Yes.
Come on, chat. Let's go. 20 more people.
Yes.
Alright, chat. Thank you. Alright, come back now. Nobody sorry over there.
Drop the gloves.
Alright, drop the gloves. Apple, drop the gloves. Shoot, chat.
Let them drop a glove.
Use the gloves, my team. Shoot. Them get gloves. Nobody apple them. Shoot, chat. Shoot. Shante.
Alright, use the double then. Use the double. Use the double, my side. Use the double.
King Big Boy.
Wanna use the gloves, now, my team.
Use the double, chat. Use the double. Use the double, chat. Use the double. Use the double, chat. Use the double.
Chat everybody now. Wait a second.
Shoot, chat.
Let's open and see what Curry Lover just did. Junior. Wait now. Wait. Them run out of steam. Me tell you they run. Oh shit, triple 99. Triple 99.
Big up my tax lady with a good tax return. Over 5,000, not under. Sometimes 9, sometimes 12, sometimes
We that good.
Yes.
We that good.
All when you
One Junior chat. Kelly. Kiss.
to turn it back round so them pay you. Yes, big up my tax lady.
No gloves.
That me know.
Guys, we now no gloves. Oh God Almighty, oh God.
We not have to see our face candidate dead over there, egg them mad him. Michaela, thank you.
Oh God.
No man, a restriction, that's why. But the egg them a suitor man. But he can't snipe at because I work about thank you, Renee. Oh God, that's why you must not be mean. You must be a nice person who brings you through the world.
Oh God.
You must stop being mean.
Oh God.
You wanna go mean? So readjust there, and I'm not trouble no.
Guys, I mean to God, so nobody can take me out of this stress. Yeah? Oh God. So what on the pack up over here, justice?
Oh Jesus, Lord have mercy.
Chat, what kind of score this year?
No man, he still did the man. She still have any egg them.
Chat, use the gloves.
She a jack and come out.
Guys, use the gloves. Somebody have a plan. Use the gloves, chat. Pass candy then. Please.
Guys, use
Please, me a beg you. Some nice. Bumbo clad.
Murder. Blood clad. No man, I want if I more water come out with the egg them man. No. I want if a mouth water come out when she take out the egg. The egg them did in her mouth, man. Because I can shoot. Now, boner. Now, you see thing about dog in a throat and throat and quack, 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 quack. The egg them going in throat. He will learn today. And she always say, until he start choke. Yeah. She get it today.
Kiara, thank you, my baby. Thank you, well blessed.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you. Angel, thank you.
Michaela, Shanti.
Things just saw me. Thank you very much. Oh,
Well, best girl, thank you so much.
Oh, no, you wanna dare now?
How much game this?
Listen, let me give me there first, right? Let me give me there first, right?
Alright.
For the entire next game, I want you to hold
Destiny dead.
your underwear and wedge yourself. Pull it how far you can pull it over your
No,
shoulder.
what you do say, batty. That cannot close. Me not like that spoil when you come with no Damion.
Listen to me. I want to ramp with me.
want to come
I
and
got
come
win me if I want to ramp with
Hey,
me.
me not want to ramp with you. Hey, let me tell you this idea, man.
No, you better call me. No,
Listen,
me and you not
listen.
friend. Me and you not friend. Me and you not friend.
Yeah, me and I no friend, but me I tell you about the cabana now, because me notice say you under every cabana. You see, keep certain game to different cabana.
Right.
Listen, we don't really play them the game there.
Are you move with that?
You come out on and bright. You have too much dirty fetish in you.
Right. You ready for hear, my dear?
Go on up.
Just pay upon me 5 bills.
So why you can't do that?
Forget 5 bills from Candy.
You don't know where you get it from.
Me not them the day they not play.
Alright.
This is what we do.
Unfair.
Here what me want you do. Me want you move out of the camera. Me want you beat your body on the wall. And me want hear it a slap on the wall. Right side of the phone. Me want hear go plip, plip on the wall. Beat it on the wall.
Damion, give a deer. Give one different deer.
Me want hear it beat.
Give one different deer, Damion.
Bo wedgie. Bo pull.
Chad, what do you think if you pull it back? Tap it, jump tap it.
No more hear body on the wall. Yeah, on the table. Me want hear on the...
Why you there?
Me dear for cuss Damion furious a match.
Come on, if you get it. Dirty stick.
Don't tell me no, because I'm not sure
Yeah,
me
so
now.
dirty fetish. Yeah, man, you go get it, man. You go get it. Damion, why you there?
You want hear
I'm never really wicked to me. I
Why
don't
you
want to
there?
joke. You only make me put ice on me arm. I really
Oh, wait.
can't